Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best fishing rod case out here. Let's get started with the video. Number 10. Entsport Rattlesnake 2-piece portable graphite casting rod with 3 top pieces is the high-quality, cost-effective model from Entsport E-Series. It's the affordable and qualified rod that's suitable for all species. The medium or medium-light tips give you the perfect trout rod or fitness base rod, perfect for drop shot rigs, split shot, and the medium-heavy is used with Texas or Carolina rid. Number 9. Great function. Fishing bag protects the rod from any accidental damage. It is easy to carry on your travel fishing for all of your fishing tackles. Portable and convenient. This bag with carrying handle and adjustable shoulder strap, convenient to carry. It is also foldable to be stored in your backpack and ready to go, great fishing luggage for any angler. Large capacity. Number 8. Khaki green, a greenish khaki color with black trim. The carry case holds 5 rods and reels on the outside, plus more rods, reels, tackle and equipment on the inside. Heavy-duty grade high-tech polyester. Adjustable shoulder strap. Flat expands to 48 inches high and 13 inches in width. If you love to fish, this is the perfect organizer for you. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfully.com. Search best fishing rod case or simply click below the video description link. Fishfully fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. This fishing rod bag may be the simplest bag to hold you fishing rods, reels and other tackles. It has 2 main big compartments, exterior's pocket and 1 mesh pocket, which is very roomy to keep your fishing tackle neat and ready to go. Spacious capacity. This fishing bag includes 2 main compartment, exterior pockets and 1 mesh pocket, offers large capacity for your fishing tackle. Number 6. Charming appearance and 2 sizes for different length fishing rods, Waterfly portable folding fishing rod bag is an ideal gift for fishing enthusiast. Material. Canvas and leather. A good fishing bag need to work every time you use it, not the first 2 or 3 trips out into the water. That's why durability is vitally important. Number 5. BW Sports provides incredible value and quality in their rod case line. 1 additional zipper pocket is provided on all rod cases, and easy opening zipper flaps on the dual rod cases. All rod cases come with padded shoulder straps, web handles, padded reel sections and internal nylon socks. Saltwater designed. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfully.com. Search best fishing rod case or simply click below the video description link. Fishfully fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Large diameter case holds numerous rods for extended trips, perfect for saltwater rods and other rods with oversized guides. 6 diameter, telescopes from 73-102 long, contoured, blow molded construction, makes the bazooka virtually indestructible, won't bend, crush, or break. Hinge door makes it easy to load and unload, molded in handle for maximum durability. Number 3. Flambeau Outdoors 1 tough son of a gun contoured blow molded rod storage tube makes the bazooka rod storage tube virtually indestructible. Put it through the ringer, it won't bend, crush or break. Preserve and protect your rods with confidence. Rugged Hdpe construction, proudly made in the USA. Number 2. Great fishing bag for your rod and reels. Docooler fishing bag is designed specially for fishermen, made from high-quality canvas material, 2-3 layer, optional, 120 cm, 130 cm, 150 cm length, optional. Perfect to put away fishing rods, fishing reels and other fishing tackles. Number 1. Dramatic styling and superior thick wall design of the 650,800 jumbo airliner provide maximum protection. The 2-piece design extends to a whopping 112-inch to handle the longest rods. Wheels and lockability make traveling with the jumbo airliner a snap. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.